Hi everyone, today we have a shutoff valve for a dishwasher and the valve is currently turned off, but as you can see here we have a hose hooked up to it and it continues to leak. So today we're going to replace that and show you how to do it without the need for a torch or solder. So the first thing we're going to do is shut off the main water line to the house. Then we're going to drain the water lines by opening up the taps in the lowest point in the house. Alright, so instead of soldering a new valve in place, what we're going to be using is this push connect valve here. And as you can see, it's just an angle ball valve, open and closes, that little ball valve in the center there. And this piece here is only needed if you are using PEX piping, but we have copper piping, so we're going to remove it. It's not mandatory that we remove it. We're going to remove it just because it restricts the water flow and it's not necessary for copper piping. So to remove that plastic insert, there's a tool that you can use to kind of press this white piece in, your yellow piece in here. But I find it's easier just to use a wrench, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure and then use some needle nose pliers to twist it out. Oh, just like that. There we go. So the next thing we're going to do is cut the pipe here as close as we can to the old valve. We're just going to use this pipe cutter and twist it onto the copper pipe. And once it's twisted, tightened on, we're just going to twist it around and keep on tightening. Right, rolling through. Okay. Next, we're just going to use some sandpaper and just sand off any of the oxidation or burrs that are on the pipe. Finally, we can use a cloth just to wipe off any of the dust and make sure it's nice and clean. And last but not least, we're ready to secure the new valve in place. We're just going to push that in and twist, and we're trying to get it in at least an inch. There we go, until it stops. And that should be good to go. We're just going to turn the valve to the off position, turn the main water line on, and make sure that there's no leaks. Alright, our main water line is back on and we're not seeing any leaks. So it looks like we have fixed that leaky valve. So that's how to solve a leaky dishwater valve without the need for soldering and using a push connect valve. I hope this video helps somebody else. Thanks for watching.